doing a bit of 3D printer maintenance. I think the little PTF tube inside is getting a bit crusty, so just going to take it all apart. It's a volcano. Replace the small bit in there, and I put a new nozzle in as well. That's a bit warm. Ah ha ha, hot potato! Hot potato! Oh my god, that's hot. This is the heat block, that seems all alright. Normally it's this little plastic bit in here, that little bit of Teflon. There's a Teflon insert in here in the throat. So I'll take that out, replace it. It was under extruding, it was clicking and doing all sorts of things. Usually it is that that's gone crusty. So I'll swap that out and see if it makes any better, make it any better. That was a right job to get out of that little tube. But oh, yeah, they go all crusty after a while. You can see, and it causes it to under extrude. Oh, where are we? Yeah, the very tip of it will go crusty. That bit's fine. All right, let's put another little bit in. And put it back on the printer. I have different bits of Teflon. This black stuff is slightly too big to go in, so you need to make sure you get the correct size. And then what you want to do is get a sharp knife or razor blade and cut it off clean. If you try to snip it with some snippers, you'll just squash the end and it won't work very well. So a nice sharp knife, you know, scalpel or razor blade or whatever, straight off there. Yeah, sharp knife, just cut that off clean, and this should now be much better. Oh yeah. Better. Oh, I'll just put it back together. Get some better prints. Ah, it's just all back together. Alright. Alright, it's all back together. I've got another spare, I don't know what you call them, heat thing to put on. Seems to be extruding all alright there, it's coming through. We'll give it a little test and have a quick test print. Just going to calibrate the heat bed with the probe. So just go along and it will tap each time. Well, it does it twice. And it will produce a heat map, and then it will compensate for the first level. That's the heat map it's produced. It is a bit exaggerated. It's half 0.6 of a millimetre out. So we're just doing a quick test print, and I've just got to check the Z height. Seems to be alright though. Printing on glass. It's having problems with it under extruding when I was trying to print the cases. I wasn't sure what's going on, but normally it is that bit of PTFE gets a bit crusty. It's probably been in there a good 6 months as well, so time for a